In this video, I want to show you how to premiere your videos on YouTube using your mobile phone. So keep on tuning in. Everyone, I'm Cristy, Angelo, and welcome to my channel, Freelancing Tips for Beginners. In this video, I want to show you how to premiere your video on YouTube using your mobile phone. But before we will start our tutorial, we will discuss first what is Premiere in YouTube and what makes this so important. First, what is Premiere in YouTube? YouTube Premieres lets you and your viewers watch and experience a new video together in real time. And what makes this so important? This features announces what time your premiere will go live and shows an announcement for your video and your audience's feed before it does, and also giving them time to prepare and tune in. While your video is premiering, viewers can chat with each other just like a live stream. Not only can the viewers chat among themselves, but the creator or you can also interact with the chat while the video is live. So are you ready now to set up your videos in Premiere? So let me show you exactly how to do that in your mobile phone.
Here in my mobile phone. So first step is you click the YouTube app. And after that, we are here in our home page. Next step is you click the plus sign. And the third step is you click the upload. Yes, this one. The upload video. Okay, you click that one. You choose the video that you want to upload. Okay, so you will choose. So I will choose this one. And after that, you click the next. Okay, you click the next. We will click the next. And here we go. We are here in the add details. Okay, as you can see here, you should add your title, your description, your location, and add playlist. So where we can schedule our videos. So here in the public, the visibility of your video. So we should click the public. Okay, click the public. So this is the set visibility. So as you can see, guys, we have public, unlisted, private, and schedule. Okay, public you can set as instant premiere, but I will advise you to set your video into schedule. Okay, we will click the schedule, and then as you can see, guys, there is a date and time. So what date and time that you want to upload your video. Okay, here, what time or date that you want to upload your video. So we will click here, and we will click here, and we will choose what date. So example, I will schedule my video on August 25. So it's Wednesday, August 25, and after that you click the OK. And after setting the date, you set the time, what time that your video will going to live. Okay, so I will choose 4 and 4 p.m. Okay, a.m. or 4 p.m. You choose. Okay, and then after that, click OK. Okay, so here we go. My video is scheduled on August 25, 2021 at 4 p.m. No? And then next step is you click the box. You set as premiere. Okay? Then click as set as premiere. So, and after that we will go back. Okay? We will go back. You click the arrow. And you click the arrow. And here we go. Okay, here we go. Our video is scheduled on August 25, 2021 at 4 p.m. Okay, you put the location, you add the playlist, okay? And after you put the location, the playlist, okay, you click the next, okay? You click the next. Here we go. You click the next, and after that, you set your audience. Okay, you set your audience. Okay, guys, if this video is for kids or not for kids. Okay, you click the no, it's not made for kids. Okay, yeah, not for kids. You click that one, and after you set your audience, guys, after you set your audience, you will, the last step is you click the upload. Okay, that is the last step. So here we go, guys. I hope that nasundan nyo. I hope you got it. Okay, so this is it. It's easy, guys. It's easy to set your video into Premiere. So I hope you got it, guys. Thank you so much.
If you know someone that might benefit from this video, please share it with them. And don't forget to thumbs up below, be sure to subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my new videos. And see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.